This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Karen Archbell. Nestled along a narrow stretch of Route 12. 2 lots from the beach access. Convenience is key, no need to haul belongings up and down stairs thanks to the outdoor lift. 22 mm luxury vinyl plank, LVP, flooring flows installed 2021 throughout, while updated bathrooms feature new vanities, lighting fixtures, toilets, mirrors, fresh paint and stylish flooring. All bedrooms on the lower level complete with a shared hall bathroom, while main living area upstairs offers an open concept design with kitchen, dining area, living room, and a bathroom. Creative spirits will love the craft table, whose well-loved surface tells stories of countless artistic endeavors. Step outside to enjoy coastal breezes on the screened porch, soak up the sun, stargaze on the open side.